Hi, this is Laura Biewer with CoachMeLaura.com, the Notary Symposium, and At Your Service Mobile Notary. I have a question. Do we treat our time like money? Because if our time is like money, and many agree it is, then why would we give it away? It's important that we say yes to the right opportunities and decline or say no to some of the other ones. Your main goal should be only take on what you know you have time for and for those things you truly care about. Now, I'm writing about this because I'm not that good at it. I am constantly taking jobs and fitting one more in than what I had planned for, which will make me late or cause me to be in a hurry. I have taken jobs that are financially not appropriate for me. I have taken a last minute unscheduled call that said, "Do you got a minute?" And it was 20 minutes. I've been sucked into that rabbit hole called Facebook. So these are examples of sharing my most valuable asset, my time, and it takes away from my family, from volunteering, from investing in myself and my friendships. So first step is to admit I have a problem. And so the second is to focus on changing that and to say no to those requests that aren't appropriate, that don't line up with my day. And then the third one is to practice doing it, the execution. So it doesn't mean that I'm not going to take a last minute call or a last minute appointment, but it does mean I will evaluate its value first and how it fits into my day and what might I have to give up instead. So I just think this is important for all of us who are solopreneurs. We're wearing many different hats. We're the owner, we're the bookkeeper, we're the salesperson, and then we are the notary, right? The person delivering the service. And we have to schedule all of that in to our day. It's not like we have a bunch of other people doing that for us. So we really need to manage our time so that we get the most bang for our buck. And after listening to me today, I hope you do the same.